So this is a rechargeable magnetic work light equipped with a DC-AC adapter. And it is completely waterproof, IPX70. Not going to break. It's minus 19 and it works. And it's all controlled with one button right there. It can charge a smartphone or any other USB powered device. It's got an SOS international distress signal as a mode. It's got a flash mode for warning lighting, road construction maintenance. I gotta say, my new favorite survival little gadget. Okay, so in this video, we got this garage portable LED lamp work light with the ability to charge the power bank. So it comes with an AC adapter, and obviously it also comes with a car cigarette lighter charger. But the light itself, it is big and heavy, and it's got a giant magnet at the bottom. Right, so you can charge it through obviously the AC, and this is how you connect the external USB cable so you can charge it. So take this cover off. Let's see, it's full charge. This right here is your 1600 lumen, and this is 700 lumen. So this LED light will last you for about 16 hours non-stop working. If you're just doing the SOS, it's gonna give you about 40 hours. Charging time on this is 5.5 hours. White light color temperature is 6 to 6500 Kelvin. So let's go into the garage and see how bright it really is. So we're going into the dead of night. The garage is here. Turn off the light. Completely dark. And there we go. This is with the light. Let's turn off the light one more time. So there you go. Now if you want to work on this car, look at that. You attach it right there, just kind of sits. With the garage, also if you drop it from above, also not going to break. Now if you want to see a really cool effect, check this out. This is the dim effect, and then this is the cop light effect. Very cool little light. I gotta say, very cool little light indeed. And it's all controlled with one button right there. This is the SOS mode. If you're stuck on a highway, that is. Let's try plugging this into USB. So that's plugged in. There you go. You can see that just kind of powers itself on. So very cool. Awesome. You can take this with you night fishing, camping, hiking. You can use it in a warehouse. You can drop it. It works in the garage. It clamps to magnets just like that. So it works in temperatures 50 Celsius plus or minus 20. And it is completely waterproof, IPX70. And it's dustproof. So it works in temperatures 50 Celsius plus or minus 20. my new favorite survival little gadget.